Right, listen up, you beautiful disorganized carbon life forms. We are initiating the system boot on the GestaltView Agent Trainer, version 0.1.0. The mission today? To deploy a productized AI floor and train this digital beast on your world, not some sterile corporate void. Look at your current AI setup. You're dumping raw, disorganized PDFs into a generic corporate model, and what do you get? A hallucinating mess. The result is absolute, plausible-sounding bullshit. It sounds like a soulless PR drone. It doesn't know your code, it doesn't know your roadmap, and it definitely doesn't have your charming, twisted voice. But behold the solution, the GAT Scaffold. It's a standalone, white-label deployment layer tucked safely away in your own inspectable environment. But what's under the hood, Genie? I hear you cry from the back. Well, we've got the data vault using Supabase and PG Vector, isolating your precious proprietary chunks with row-level security. We've got the neural Prism routing your chaotic prompts to Grok, OpenAI, or Gemini like a digital traffic cop on espresso. And you access it all through the gorgeous reactnext.js jack-in interface. You bring your own knowledge, and we slice it into beautiful 1,200-character fragments. We feed it through 4 glorious data highways to fix your life. Knowledge docs create a factually grounded domain operator. Code Readmes output a repo-aware technical collaborator. Product specs and roadmaps result in a contextual product partner. And context uses your voice notes to eradicate that generic corporate drone voice. We despise inflated generic AI filler. And memory! Oh, the memories. We use the persistence protocol. We've got the keep for locking down stable working styles and durable truths. And we've got the burn, the flaming digital trash can where we destroy API keys and useless, noisy trivia so it doesn't clog up your context window. Stop relying on a monolithic bot, you madmen. You don't get a bot, you get a whole cyber crew. You get a research scout finding your citations. You get an implementation pilot executing the change and writing the code. And you get a Q&A guardian running the test matrices issuing a go/no-go. Now, how do you know it isn't lying to you? Welcome to the Interrogation Room. We use real, high-stakes prompts, not toy prompts, with pre-configured stress tests. The context inspector peels back the skull and shows you exactly why it answered the way it did. And the telemetry? We're actively tracing your weak zones to hit a go-live readiness score of 78% or higher. Dress it up with dynamic white labeling, lagoon glass, signal noir, copper signal, all for the buy-in of $2,400, a one-time zip file. You own the infrastructure, so type it in, /gv.sh-init-enterprise. Secure your operating studio today before the machines figure out we're just made of meat.